Okay, here we go. So we'll start it again. The video has stopped. Anyway, January 16th, 2022, second snowstorm of the year. This is the big one. The first one was big enough. This one's real big. So I'm taking the Navi out. I can't drive in the snow worth a chuck, but you know, I have 4-wheel drive, so I am an American. I'm gonna go ahead and get out here, whether I can drive in it or not. Hopefully I don't wreck on camera. Anyway, it's a beautiful day out here. It's about 26 degrees. It's about 4:50 in the evening. Decided to get out for a little while. Just took my recycle bin out, came up the hill, so I'm shooting the hill one more time. There's a Honda Civic. Obviously not 4-wheel drive. They're spinning the tires. Not advisable to be out here. I mean, I'm sitting here talking. I shouldn't be out here. I can't even drive in the snow. Heck, I can't drive when it doesn't snow. So there's that too. Ah! Sliding. Slide alert. Okay, all right, there we go. There's my idiot husband. Is that him? Yep, that's him. He thinks because he has a big car that he should be out here. He probably shouldn't, but you know. Okay, so I'm doing about maybe 7 miles an hour, and I think I'm on NASCAR racing and whatnot. This is fun. Yes, I do have my 4-wheel drive on. Once I figure out how to cut it on, it's on. I don't know if you can hear the sleet, but it's going. Pretty good. We've had about, I don't know, it's a lot of inches of snow out here. I'm just driving around in circles, really, just because I can. I just saw a Honda Civic leave the parking lot, so guess what? I guess I can too, right? Maybe we should cut some music on. Hold on, let's see what we got. I don't know. Oh, there's no radio. Okay, gotta figure that out. Alright, so this is the main road. I mean, it's not bad. Could it be better? Probably. There we go. Scared to go on the road. I'm probably wrecked. I don't know what I'm doing, but here's to this. There we go. I can't get on 81 because I think that's shut down. The tractor trailer flipped over. Roads are doing pretty good. This is it's a main-ish road because the police station's on this road, so, and I think one of the BDOT substations might be up here. Oh yeah, look at this mess here. Great day. Great day. Alright, so yeah, this is a total mess out here. Kind of waiting for this truck to come on up the road because guess what? He can probably drive in this. Oh yeah, he's an emergency official, I think. What is this? Yeah. I'm an idiot. I shouldn't even be out here. Oh my gosh! I'm looking at my husband in my mirror and he almost flipped a circle. What a douchebag who shouldn't even be out here without 4-wheel drive. Now look at him behind me trying to eat my tracks. Douchebag. So I won't be out here long because again, America, I'll probably have to be rescued at some point because I shouldn't be out here because I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, it's like straight sleet out right now. Oh, there's the plow truck. Thanks, guys. Here's thebomb.com. I see that car eating your trail because he shouldn't be out here in the first place. Hee hee hee. Look, me either. And the rain. At this moment, I can't stand the sleet. Look at the wheelie marks right there. Somebody came out and did a U. I love it. They're bolder than me. I would have been scared to fishtail and ramp out of control with my four-wheel drive. I know my husband's back there probably trying to call me, though I'm making the videos I won't answer, telling me to slow down. Alright, I hear you, John. I'm slowing down. I'm doing 24. I was doing 31. But you're the one in my rearview mirror all over the road. Dude, like slowing down. I'll probably carry this video for a little while. I never make videos anymore. Ooh, look at this. I'm gonna drop half their snow off their tree. Okay. I'm okay. I know, I am such a douchebag. Alright. Look, it's kind of hot in here. Cut this down a little bit. Lord. I like the snow, but I can't stand the sleet. I can't stand the sleet on my window. Okay. Try me, snow. Try me. You ran a red light. Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to scream. I just get irritated with stuff. You know it's snow out here. You gotta be careful, guy. Try me. T&M, I see you. Okay, I better keep my hands on the steering wheel and shut my mouth. Woo! Okay, I'm doing it, guys. I'm doing it. I love it. Okay, I'm trying to figure out how I'm doing 20 and my husband is crawling up my butt behind me, knowing I'm nervous, and if I wreck, guess what? I guess I just wrecked. Alright, y'all, I'm almost up to, I'm on 411, which is electric, or 419, which is electric road, in Roanoke. And I'm about to come to the intersection of Main Street. Let me cut that down a little bit so I don't have to scream at you. Main Street leads to Salem. Like I guess a suburb of Roanoke. I mean, I don't really know the whole breakdown. It was kind of like Henrico, Richmond, Henrico, blah, blah, blah. Okay, I'm probably going to take the next intersection in because I was coming in too hot for that last one. Look at you, plow truck coming in hot. I wish you were coming in hot in front of me, because I think Kroger don't shut it down for the snow, for the safety of their employees. Meanwhile, I can't go get no eggs, milk, and bread. Okay, I'm all right. I think I'm all right. My husband, I think, is just riding behind me to make sure I don't die. Uh-oh, here come my song. Luda. or something. Dang, can't even get a First Virginia consumer loan. Look at these fools, 4-wheel drive. Driving tractor trailers out this bit. Uh-oh. Look at B-Dot got this road ready for me. Yeah, you did, B-Dot. Look at him over there getting that one ready. Get it, B-Dot. Get it. Great day. Look at that snow. I don't know if y'all can see that over there. Look at me, beeping and waving my arm like a fool. He probably ain't even looking at me. This is crazy. It is insane how much snow is out here. This is Virginia. We're not built like this. Okay? And now it's icing. Another reason I shouldn't be out here. John's talking about, you want to go to Milton? I'm like, no. What I'd like to do is go to the mall and it be open. But there's that, and they're not. Please. Let me get over here in the lane that you can see. Be in the house. Look at me, fool in action here. Uh-oh, going up the hill. Look. Uh-oh. Calling y'all. So if I don't die before the finishing of this video, yeah, this is totally going on YouTube, right? Sir, put that shovel down and scrape that road. Playing with me. And what are you? Who are you? You need to call him on that radio town. Put that shovel down. Riding around the shovel up. Road full up. He's going another crossover warrior. Better get home. Car ain't even heavy enough to be out here. Uh-oh, going 35 out this bit. Uh-oh. Yeah, girl. Alright, what to say on all the sand? Let's see what shenanigans is going on 81. Use caution. Snow plows at work. Oh my gosh. Newsflash. Snow plows at work. Okay, can I just get the weather though? Look at this fool out here. Oh, that's my neighbor. Hey, neighbor. Look at this photograph. Actually, it's a video. But there's that too. So red. It was CBD. I hope it's a toboggan. RBA. Uh-oh. Got the John Deere farm equipment out this bit now. Be not rolling, ain't they? Got John Deere out here scraping the road. Do it. Uh-oh, look. LaQuinta NS Sweets. Look. Hold on. Let me try and get the camera to out. Nah. They full up. They ready for the power to go out. Look at that. Get it, LaQuinta NS Sweets. Get it. Look at that, John. Y'all see the John Deere right there? He doing it. I should get on 81 and see what's popping down there, but I'm not going to. I know my limitations. I'm like my husband behind me. He don't put more snow in the road than he. Thought the tires was gonna bust loose. Forgot I'm in the Navy. Look at me get that John Deere doing 1 mile an hour out the street. My poor neighbor. So my neighbor. He had a crossover too, so he's all trying to get out. Okay, we live at the bottom of a hill, almost halfway to the bottom of the hill. Anyway, so we come out of our road onto the hill, like literally into the hill. And so he's trying to get up the hill, front tire just was spinning. I was like, wait a minute, bro. So he did this about 6 or 7 times. And finally, he gave up and waved me past him. I was like, bro, just let me clear the way. You can just take my tire rim holes and come on up the hill with me. He just gave up and went back home. I think that was probably for the best. These crossovers think they out here rolling with 18 wheels and stuff. Ah! Meanwhile, I almost wrecked. Shut your mouth, girl, talking that mess. Okay, so now I'm getting back on my road. There's the rental office right there. Going back down the hill. Okay, rental office truck people with the shovel is sitting on the ground in the grass. Can we shovel this road, please? You got the damn salt thing on. Oh, excuse my friend. You got that salt thing on there, and they got nay bit a shovel on there. I think they broke this morning. I saw them out there working on it. Meanwhile, my rent has been paid. Can I please get this driveway shovel, please? Thank you. That's why I live in an apartment, not a house. Have a good day. Alright, wait a minute, skinny man. You and this navigator ain't that ain't a good shot. Have a good day. Alright, going back to my parking space. Alright, come on, girl, you can do it. Woo! I missed. Okay, that's all for now. Thank y'all for watching my video. Woo! We made it without dying. Have a good day.